Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. On my editing screen right now I have this beautiful image, beautiful Christmas mini shot by Henrieta Gomes photography. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to show you how quickly we can edit images in Evoto combined with the LSP Hallmark Presets. You can watch video tutorial 1, the proper setup tutorial, to grab these presets in. It literally takes a second and get started with them. So I'm going to start in the all-in-one section. This is where I recommend you start. You also need to set your own white balance and exposure. I'm just going to tweak that around just a little bit. You might not need to change that at all. You might need to change it a lot. It's entirely up to you and your image. So I'm just going to go through these. I've just clicked balancer. I have real-time color adjustments on. That means the presets will apply very quickly, but you won't see any of the skin editing until you turn that off. But this is a great way to just click through the presets really quickly and go which one is going to work for me. So I'm just clicking through them all. I'm looking for something that's really going to balance, and I think I know in my head which one it is. It's this one, Prancer. So at the moment we have before and after, and you can see we've really balanced our image out now. At this stage I think I'm just going to go for a little crop here. There are some distractions in the image, which happens, of course. You're going to get light stands and other bits, and you can use Evoto's patch tool and healing brush to try and get rid of these, or you can head over into Photoshop and use Gen Fill. But this is going to be doing 99% of your editing for you, and you can batch it over the entire gallery. So I'm just scrolling down through the section. Now we have our base. I'm going to turn real-time color adjustments off so that we can see before and after. We can see the skin has been edited, a beautiful Christmas skin edit there. And you can always go in and make a few little changes if you want to. And just see how it works for your image. We also have other skin actions in here, skin presets. We have gentle, complete, and painterly. Complete is the default that goes with any of the all-in-ones. Let's just fit this image back to our screen. I'm going to come down into the background section a little bit and make it a little bit darker. And that's just going to add a little kind of a darker slight contrast to our background, meaning our subjects are really popping out. Let's go with the Evoto healing tool for a moment. Now for something like this, a little bit of a complicated area, I do recommend potentially going into Photoshop. It will be a lot quicker, especially if you use Gen Fill or you use the LSP Select and Fix Photoshop actions. So I'm just going through now, just a little bit of tweaking, just to kind of blend this image in. Just any areas that we want to kind of, fix with our healing brush. Now, I'm going to do this bit quickly, but what it's probably going to do is extend the tree outwards. So again, that probably is a job for Photoshop, but that's okay because these presets are going to take care of so much of your edit for you. You won't mind doing a little bit in Photoshop. And you can see there, it's not done the worst job in the world. I mean, you could take it like this into Photoshop and then just fix it up a little bit. But, for the sake of a few clicks, I think it's done a pretty good job. So that's just taking over and processing. You could also crop in closer and then that would take any of those background areas out. But you'd also lose some of your pretty, backdrop there. But it's still really beautiful. You do want your subjects to be the main focus of your image anyway. So let's see where we were. Here's our before image and here's after. And what you can do, you can go ahead and select all of the images from that session or all of your minis. And you hit sync, hit save, and that's going to apply those same settings across the board. So then you can click on your images and this is just loading up now with the presets. I'm not needing to click on anything, we just synchronize it across and it's going to snap into place and your edit is done. And there we go. Before, wrong button, before and after. And they're all synced. Before, and after. Super quick edit. If you're not using Evoto to edit your Christmas minis, then you're missing out because it is so fast and so quick. And even if you do end up going into Photoshop, you've cut 90% of the work out. I do recommend in Photoshop our Christmas Magic Photoshop actions to add all of those additional real fine art pieces, glows, magic, you know, to really get down and deep in there. But Evoto is going to take care of 90% of that for you. In fact, this is good enough to send to your clients right now. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Henrietta, for sending these beautiful images in this year. I've really appreciated, you know, editing and trying out the presets with them. Thank you so much. These are the Evoto LSP Hallmark presets available at lsp-actions.com. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.